Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Almighty keep you happy and keeps you home and happy to tend you. Continue to enjoy like this video. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet cushion cover designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Now in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos fashion related, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who will subscribe to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Well, remember, prayer and bye.